I have some interesting news from Martin Wimpress. Let's take a quick look here. He says Ubuntu Mate 22.10 is a modest update by recent standards and focused on quality of life improvements. Nice. And there is good reason why this release of Mate doesn't feature the usual bucket list of changes you typically expect. And that's because I've been helping bring the full Ubuntu Mate experience to Debian Mate. Really? Now, he says this may raise some questions. He's not stepping away from Ubuntu or Ubuntu Mate. He's closely collaborated with the Mate packaging team for Debian for over 8 years. Making the Mate experience in Debian and Ubuntu consistent makes maintenance easier for all involved. Ubuntu Mate offers modernization of Mate. We're hopeful the Mate spin in Debian 12. I believe this is slated for release 2023 as of this recording. He says here he's hopeful that this release will have the same or extremely similar experience. Excuse me, Ubuntu Mate users have enjoyed for some time. You know, there are what's this here? He's been making OBS Studio portable builds for Ubuntu. Really? Interesting. Or over 40 plugins. Nice. Sorry, I got distracted. What I was saying, there are hundreds and hundreds of Linux-based systems out there that you can try, but really, only a handful can really compete with your Windows operating systems of the world and Mac OSs of the world. And Ubuntu Mate is one of them. So I'm looking forward, Martin, to Ubuntu Mate on Debian. Check it out. Take care.